Okay. I was finally able to find the house. Well, not the house, the estate, the apartment. Okay, is anybody here? I guess not. They did call me in advance to tell me that I had to go all the way upstairs to where my estate was. They said it was a big long one. No, this isn't it. It's kind of empty. Oh, here it is. Wow, this is super big. But I do need some blocks, like this kind, and some furniture, definitely. Okay, I'm gonna go to the block store. Hopefully somebody is there. Wink, wink. So, oh, there's something in my eye. Ouch. Oh, okay. Whatever. Okay. So let's go to the block store. It's probably on the way up, so I'm gonna take this cart. I'm gonna go all the way up to the block store. May take quite a while. Okay, so the block store isn't that far. I just have to go to the park, and I'm almost there. It's gonna lead me right there by the ice cream store, all the way in the back. Okay. It's by that prison, so, you know, that's kind of weird as well. Oh, wow, I see the radio station, Rainbow Station, and there's the block store. I knew it wasn't that far away. Okay, I'm pretty hungry. After this, I'm gonna go get an ice cream or something, you know, some food. It's gonna turn dark soon. Okay, so I'm here, and what is this stop? Rainbow Tower Station. Oh, no. Okay, so here is the block store. Yay. Okay, let's see what's there. Oh, hi, ma'am. I'm looking for some blocks. Yeah, how may I help? Well, I need some blocks, and I see, you know, you don't have much in stock, but you're able to get blocks from me in the back, right? And yeah, okay, so I want some orange one, Oceana orange, the wood Oceana. I think I may need, no, just Oceana, you know, the blocks, the orange ones, the wood blocks. Yeah. I need 3 stacks of those, please. We have stone here. Here. You know, it's okay. It's just that, you know, it's turning dark time and I gotta be home and get some lunch on my way home. I don't have much. Oh, thank you. How much would that be? Oh, really? How much is the sale? Like, two iron blocks? Oh, okay. Oops, I just turned them into here. 2 iron blocks. This is such a sale. Thank you. Do you also have a furnace? Like 2 furnaces? Oh my god. But this is such a good day, a sale. Wow. 2, please. How much would that be? 2 pieces of gold? Like blocks or 6? Okay. Here you go. Thank you very much. Bye. That was such a nice lady. Oh my god, a zombie. Oh no 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 no. Oh my god, there's a zombie. I gotta run. Oh no, they're coming after me. Ah. My hunger is gonna go all the way down. Oh no 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 no. I need to stop somewhere. Oh, okay, I'm gonna stop at the ice cream parlor. Okay, this is so horrible. There's 2... Oh no. Oh no, I need help. No, I'm gonna be stuck in here overnight. God. Find the closest. Frick. No, I don't want to make this place explode. Take this. Yes, run! Like the speed! There's... Oh god, I don't think I have time to go to Sleepy's. Oh no no, the closest place. Where is the closest place? Okay, the bar. They must have food there, hopefully. I don't think they'll allow me there, but you know, it's the closest place I can before my time of the... Oh no 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 no. Oh no, please. I don't wanna die. The bar, the bar, the bar. I'm so close. So close. Okay. Okay. Oof, I'm here. Do they have food? Please say they have food. No, they don't have food. No! They don't have any types of food. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Oh no, I don't think I should be out here. I'm gonna die soon. Oh! Oh my god, I just found some load full of food! Thank god. Whoa, this is a lot of food. Why would I find this like in a chest? I actually did. Okay, well, run. Let me eat these apples. Time to run. I gotta run all the way back home. I'm not gonna be able to get a bed. Just gotta go through the night without sleeping. Or I have to sleep on the floor, I think. Yep. I'm gonna sleep on the floor tonight. Okay, whatever. I don't have to go grocery shopping now. Yay. Okay. Okay, I'm almost close to the apartment. 5. No, I'm in the back. I'm in the back area. Okay, all the way up. Okay, finally, I'm home. I'm able to go all the way down upstairs. Thank God. Okay, let's go in here. Okay, let's put some of these things down. And I'm gonna make a chest. First I'm gonna make these. Okay, I was able to make this. I don't have much on. I already have a wall separated, I don't know why I even bought this in the first place. But I can make this room. Okay, so I have school tomorrow, and I have to go. Or is it today? I don't know. I think the sky's turning gloomy. I don't know if it's daytime or nighttime. I can get to school. Anyway, I'm just gonna put all my stuff. Okay, there we go. Let me put my stuff down in here. Like all my food. Because I'm not gonna bring much to school. All I'm gonna bring is 2 pumpkin pies, 3 carrots, and I'm gonna cook 2 chicken. So it's daytime and I'm gonna be super late for school. Come on, quickly. Come on, cook my chicken. And I need to get apples for the teachers. Gotta be a +A student. 1 apple for me, and oops, I don't have some for the. Oh, I do. Okay. Here, 6. Okay, I'll put them in my pockets for now, and let's go to school. Okay, I'm going down. Let's go. Okay. Okay, I'm going to school. Okay, let's go to school. Okay, I'm finally here. Okay, so which class do I have first? I have reading first. Okay, so hello, am I the only student here? Wow, I guess I am. Okay, kids, today we're gonna be writing short summaries. So this is going to be a persuasive essay. So you have to persuade something about something. So you could compare by one another, and you have to persuade somebody to like this thing or not to like it or stuff like that. So I see that somebody's new here, and you could take your books and a paper and a book and quill, and thank you for taking the stuff. And your homework today is to write a short summary. Write a persuasive essay. Okay, so write a persuasive. I don't know how to spell persuasive. Persuasive essay. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. If any children comes late, you could tell them the homework, and they may do it or they may not. If they don't do it, they're gonna get an F or a 0. Their choice. Okay. Thank you. You also have to read a page of this book and tell me about it. Okay. How many pages? 6 pages. Gosh.